No, don't laugh, guys. Don't laugh. Because when I was child, then I want to become a dancer, but I fear to fail. So I would never make my dream come true. So when you ever fail, everyone started taunting you. Everyone, you are example of every hater as a failure who never want you to be successful. And listen to all these things and seeing all the happiness of a hater, you go into depression. Hey brother, what are you doing? What are you doing? You know how much expensive of a depression treatment? A middle class family can't afford it. Because I am also from a middle class family, so I know how it is hard to face. So why are you fear? Why are you fear? What do we have which we are fear to lose? Why? Why are you fear to do something different, to do something brilliant, to do something big? So never give up. Because APJ Abdul Kalam said that fail means first attempt in learning. A girl, a common girl from Delhi who 5 times failed, but she was never give up. She was never lose her hope because she was know how to accept your past without regret and how to handle her present with confidence and fear. And finally he know very well how to face or future without fear. When she was her first attempt UPSC exam, then she was in the last year of her college, and she reached interview round, but she not passed. And again she tried, and her second attempt she failed in prelims exam. But again and again she tried, and her third attempt she reached for interview round, but she not passed. And the reason was her low marks. And her fourth attempt, he should never pass UPSC exam, but she cracked her IB exam, but she was not happy because she always want become an IAS officer. So never change yourself, never change yourself, never change your originally, because no one can play your role better than you. After 5 times failing, she cracked her UPSC exam, bringing 11th rank in 2019. And she was becoming an IAS officer. And who is none other than Miss Nupur Goyal. So for her hard working, for her madness of becoming an IAS officer, for her guts, these claps should be played from your heart, not just with hand. So please clap for our brave girl Nupur Goyal. Today will wash, and tomorrow will, if you give up, but you know after that tomorrow will be sunshine. So sometimes you listen to your mother, because a mother can be educated or uneducated, but she is the best guide and the last hope in the world when you fail. So thank you everyone. I think you like my performance, as well as you like my dance, and you want to see me in the final round, then vote for me.